Good morning, everybody! Woo! We're on our way already. Mummy's crying. I've nearly cried, but I'm holding it together. I love my doggos. We're on our way to London. Well, actually, we're on our way to pick Nanny up, who's coming with us. But we're all ready to go, and this is all our stuff in the back. I'll show you what we've got. This is a very, very full car that we have here with my whole life ready to be shipped to London. Woo! Yay! Alright. Smile, Nanny! Are we excited? We're very excited! Woo! No one's dark. Nanny! Stop! Be scared in my own world. Your favorite girls forever, perfectly together. So far it's been a bit of a disaster, really, because they lost my welcome pack, and they hadn't even made me a welcome pack for some reason. Also, my key doesn't work on my room for some reason, so I'm just not very lucky. But we're currently in the kitchen. That's Nanny, you can hear. Yeah, we're currently in the kitchen just checking things out.
She could do me wrong.
My kitchen. So this is my room, and I'm very pleased because I have a double bed. However, I'm not pleased because I bought stuff for a single bed. But this is my room, and this is my view, which is a rather nice view. So we're in my room, and we're on my double bed, which is very, very exciting. Thoughts?
We've got to go and buy some new bed linen because we've got single and it's not going to fit.
No.
The room itself is fabulous. She's got a really snazzy light over there.
Mummy's very excited about the lamp.
Look, she's got a lamp here, reading lamp for night time.
It's a nice
She's got her own sink for cleaning her teeth. It's
what a privilege.
Fabulous.
It is.
In fact, a window that opens, 2 blinds, a blackout blind and a normal blind. Hooks. It's great. We're very excited. I'm staying tonight.
And look at the room. I've got a double bed and I've got a good view and it looks amazing. We finally got all my stuff in my room. It's become a bit of a joke between us and the lift man how many trips we had to take to get this all here. Me and Mummy are now extraordinarily strong
and stinking
of sweat.
Oh.
And yeah, we've done it! Woo!
It's more than 200, if I remember.
It's 201. So just an update. We've got everything in the room, and we're now having lunch. We're at Garfunkel's. We are absolutely exhausted having to take that. Well, this is my room. I've got a lot to do, but that's wardrobe and area next to wardrobe. These are shelves. This is bed. This is window. What? So, I'm basically done now. Which you would not believe looking at this pile down here. I still have to do my desk. But wardrobe and that is done. All up here is done. And I'm basically finished. So, I'm basically now going to go to the common room and try and talk to everyone, which is perhaps the most terrifying sentence so far. I haven't made friends with anyone in my corridor because they left ages ago, because for some reason I seem to be like the last person in here to be finished. But yeah, let's see how it goes.
I know, stop me. guess it's time to sign off. I'm in bed, makeup is off, feeling chill, I'm feeling happy. If nothing else, like, I've made friends with some girls. I made friends with a whole other group of people yesterday, actually. I've made friends, you know, I can hang out with them, that's all fine, that's all good. I'm gonna try and make friends with people in my corridor, if I can. Like, it's weird though, because I would say more than 50% of people that I've met so far, like literally like 80% of people I've met so far, are people who've taken gap years. So actually, I'm hanging out with people who are a year older than me, which I've never done before, unless I've been forced to. So now I'm doing that. It doesn't feel so weird. It just feels like people my age, and I've just got to try and forget that they're a year older than me because they're doing the same year as me, and that's what being an adult is. I don't know. But yeah, so that's cool. I'm pleased. I'm pleased with the people I've made friends with, and anyway, that was moving in to my halls to university. I'm going to try and vlog Freshers Week as well as I can, but obviously don't want to be weird and, you know, be too forceful with the filming. So the filming isn't going to be, like, good quality, just like today wasn't. But I'll try to do some stuff. So let me know if you want Freshers vlog in the comments. I will see you guys next time. Good, 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 good. Good, 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 good. Good, good.